friends that are coming, I think they will be in a great place with great staff, great teachers.
Every day it's a lot of fun. Professional teachers, they every morning come with new materials. I like it.
CAS Training International College, or CTIC, offers you the perfect blend of education, fun and opportunities. Our graduates find success in a wide range of careers. Many actually secure employment before they complete their courses.
By making the classes interesting and fun, we'll put in games and so on, you'll find that you just learn so much more quickly and so easily. And I've been able to select teachers who the students will say is the best teacher that they've had in their life, and that's what we're aiming at here.
CTIC has modern campuses in Sydney and Coffs Harbour. Both campuses offer a range of accredited courses in English, as well as diplomas in business and beauty. The Sydney campus is just minutes from the heart of this vibrant, beautiful, multicultural city. It's well serviced by trains and buses that can take you to all corners of Sydney, but there's so much within moments of the campus that you don't need to go far. Great shopping, many restaurants and cafes, beautiful sights and entertainment. It's all close by. And your teachers won't only teach you, they'll happily help you settle into Australia and get to know the city.
We went to Palm Beach last week. It was so fun.
Part of my job at Student Services is meeting the students here in CTIC. I make friends with them, I help them with finding jobs, places to live and any sort of personal issues they might have.
Coffs Harbour offers you a more intimate experience of Australia, yet there are many job opportunities in this thriving regional hub. It's a safe, multicultural city with excellent shopping, great restaurants and beautiful beaches.
My business diploma has been really useful. I've been accepted into uni and I can't wait to start.
Once you've successfully completed your course at CTIC, you can apply to Australian universities. CTIC already has a pathway agreement with the University of New England to make it easier for you. CAS Training International College is your pathway to success in Australia. It's a fun, supportive college where you'll make lots of friends and enjoy a great life in a fantastic country.